Alright, y'all know who it is. Your boy JP's Audio 08. Coming to y'all one more time. I'm about to show y'all how to disconnect the ANC microphone. We just gonna go straight to the module. It's gonna be right behind this glove box. So in order to get that out, first thing we want to do is take this panel off. It's all clips. So we want to take that part off. Next, this whole little bar right here is held in by clips. We want to take that out as well. Now, we want to come up under here and this little black part. The little thing that's holding the little cover is held in by clips. So you just want to take that out, and under here you'll see one Phillips that I've already taken out, and on the other side this Phillips that's in there that's holding the glove box, we want to take that one out too. So let me go ahead and take this one out. Alright, so now that I've taken those two out at the bottom, we got these three at the top that need to come out, and you don't need to disconnect anything else. So now we're just gonna pull, take that part down, and then you will see right up here, this is our ANC microphone module. One harness, press it at the top, pull it out, and that's how you disconnect those mics. I know it was a real quick video, but if you guys are adding a subwoofer to a factory system, you will get that humming noise feedback from your factory speakers until you take those out. So instead of dropping a headliner trying to take off each individual mic, just go up here to this module and snatch the whole thing out. Happy installer.